Right, drawing the isometric drawing of this two-dimensional object over here. First of all, we need to find out what the length, the breadth, and the height is. The length is 14 blocks, so you draw in 14 blocks. The height is 10 blocks. The width is 7 blocks. Once you've done that, complete your fish tank with those dimensions. The next story that you need to do is to copy onto the front of it, this part over here. That's fairly easy. We can see that all of that stuff on the front is basically going to be right there, except for this little part over here, which is further back. So I'm going to start out, and I'm going to draw that in nice dark lines straight away. Doesn't go all the way up to the top of the fish tank because there's a 1 block gap at the top there. Right, once you've got that, what we need to do is to try and draw this section over here. You can see that it goes back 4 blocks. So it's going from this corner and it's going back 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Find that corner, go back 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. And the same story on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw that in. Alright, once you've got that, these lines can go all the way back to the back. You can see there's that corner, there it is, going all the way back to the back, all the way back to the back. Alright, just do that quickly, find out how far back it goes. And link that up. One, 2 lines coming into that corner, so I need a third line coming in there. Right, the 1, 2 lines coming into that corner, so that needs to come down over here. And just complete all the lines where you see 2 corners. You need to complete those. Make sure that there are 3 lines coming out of each corner. Obviously, 2 lines coming into this corner, that would be hidden detail over there. Right. What we don't have at the moment is this little story over here. I need to show you how to do that. You need to draw a separate fish tank on the top of this thing, which has these dimensions. So it's 1 block up. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks across, okay? And it is 1, 2 blocks in width. Right, so we need to locate this thing. It is 1 block away from the edge, so we can draw a line coming in over here, 1 block away from the edge. It is 2 blocks from the edge, 1, 2 blocks in, so I can draw a line in there. We said it was 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So we draw 4 blocks across over there. And we said that it was 2 blocks wide. So there we go, there's our thing on this level over here. Right, the problem is that it goes up 1 block. So I'm going to draw 1 block up over here, 1 block there, take it 4 blocks across, 1 block down, 2 blocks across over here. See, 1 block down over there, 2 blocks across over here, and you should be able to see basically that little block on top of this thing. Right. This line over here, we can see that it is exactly in the middle of that block. So we find where the exact middle of this block is, and that line over there we can draw in as a dark line. I then have lines coming down from that top down to the corners. You can see them. There they are, coming down to the corners. One there, one there. You obviously can't see this one going back because it's behind this one over here. But on your isometric drawing, you will be able to see a line coming down from the corner at the top, down to the corner at the bottom. From the corner at the top, down to the corner at the bottom. And from the corner at the top, coming down to the corner at the bottom. And if I wanted to, it would be a line coming down from the top to the corner at the bottom. Now, where is the corner at the bottom? You'll see that it is directly on top of that point. So I can't actually see the line going in that direction. After that, I'm just going to finish this thing off. And there we go. We have got our isometric little block at the top. Now, a lot of people look at this and they say this thing must be going down into the thing. That is impossible. If it was going down into the thing, I would have a line coming down over there. That would show that this thing is coming down, but because this line has moved across, doesn't mean that this thing is going down. It actually means that it's coming up. Right.